The abnormal rise in the cost of living has hit the poorer sections of the society, including those with fixed income, very hard indeed. And it is responsible, to a great extent, for the prevailing unrest in the country. The policy of the Pakistan government is to stabilize prices at a level that would be fair to the producer as well as the consumer. I hope your efforts will be directed in the same direction in order to tackle this root problem with success. I shall watch with keen interest, having witnessed the work of your research organization in evolving banking practices compatible with Islamic ideals of social and economic life. This system, nevertheless, has created almost insoluble problems for the humanity. To many of us, it appears not only a miracle of saving from disaster that is now facing the world. It is failed to do justice between man and man, and eradicate friction in the natural field. On the contrary, it was largely responsible for the two world wars in the past half century. The Western world, in spite of its advantages of mechanization and industrial efficiency, is still in a worse state than ever before it. With the adaptation of Western economic theory and practice will not help us in achieving our goal of creating a happy and community. We must work on our destiny in our own way and present to the world an economic system based on true Islamic concepts of equality of manhood and social justice. We will therefore fulfilling our mission of wisdom and giving to humanity what which alone has saved and secured the welfare, happiness, and prosperity of mankind.